Alright, it's Tuesday morning. It is snowing like crazy out, and I don't have clothes on yet. So I don't know why I'm filming. I have pants on. Is that too much information? It's probably a smidge. I made the mistake of starting to watch House of Cards this morning, and now I'm really just wanting to watch all 4 seasons of it in one day, which is physically impossible because there's not that many hours in a day. It is just snowing like crazy out here. Look at me. I just walked out of my car. Oh, I mean, I guess saw how snowy it was with the time lapse and the travel footage just now, but this is crazy. Like, it's coming down hard and fast and huge flakes. Oh, look at all the snow. It's crazy. Look at my beard. It is progressively getting whiter. Good old March. Gonna be white by the time I get in. Okay, more white. Alright, so workday's over, and I'm going to go, I just came back here, grabbed a tripod, and I'm going to go film some time lapses in a few different places. So, that's kind of exciting. And I'm out here in the Brown Social House parking lot to film that quality time lapse you just watched. I decided to myself, you know, I actually had to get out and go film some time lapses in some different places. This might be the only one I filmed tonight. It's getting kind of gray again, so the weather could turn south again right away. But I got out, I got that one done. I think it turned out pretty good. I'll see when I actually watch it bigger than, you know, that little thing. But yeah. Also, I've never ate here. There. Never ate there. And honestly, the parking lot isn't that full, so I don't think I'm missing out on anything. I do keep getting weird looks from the people here. So they're getting other vehicles, because that 10-second time lapse takes about 10 minutes to shoot. So I've been here for a while. So I should probably leave before they get mad at me for taking up space in their parking lot. What's up, guys? Just lying here in bed, slowly dying. I think I'm gonna edit this in the morning instead of tonight. Remember how I said it looked like it was gonna start snowing again? Well, I went and got them solid. When I came out, it was snowing, so that happened. So I didn't edit last night because I was feeling like poop. And yes, I did just say feeling like poop. So I'm up early today to edit and upload so the video is still on time for you guys, because gotta make sure that happens. Anyway, you can click up here to subscribe. Social media details are in the links below. Remember to check them out, especially my Instagram, guys. I don't have enough Insta followers yet. Sounds like I'm begging, because I am. And you guys just have yourselves a fantastic day or night. Whatever it is for you.